In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect boards in monday.com and mirror data between them. To get started, open the monday.com board where you want this connection to live. This is the main board you'll be working from, so make sure you're in the right place before changing anything. Once the board is open, look across your columns and get ready to add a new one. The goal here is to create a link between this board and another board so information can stay organized and easier to manage. Next, add a connect boards column. This is the feature that allows one board to communicate with another. When you add this column, monday.com will guide you through setting up the connection. Take your time here, because this step defines where your linked information will come from. After that, choose the board you want to connect. This should be the board that contains the related items or details you want to reference from your current board. For example, this is useful when you want to connect projects with clients, tasks with departments, or any two workflows that should stay tied together. Make sure you select the correct board so your data appears in the right place. Once the connection is set up, click a cell in the Connect Boards column on the item you want to update. This opens the option to link that row with a related item from the connected board. You'll usually see a searchable list, which can make it much faster to find the exact item you need, especially if the connected board contains a lot of entries. Now select the related item from the connected board. This creates the actual relationship between the two records. At this point, your boards are connected at the item level, which means you can start using this relationship to improve visibility across your workflow. If you also want to display information from the connected board directly inside your current board, add a mirror column. A mirror column lets you show selected data from that linked item, such as status, owner, date, or other useful fields. This is especially helpful when you want quick visibility without switching back and forth between boards. Finally, save your setup and confirm the connection works. Check that the linked item appears correctly in the Connect Boards column. And if you added a mirror column, make sure the mirrored data is displaying as expected. If everything looks right, your board connection is now active and ready to use. This is a simple but powerful way to keep related work connected and your monday.com workspace much more efficient.